Did you know you can hide your real email address on your iPhone 17 and still send and receive messages like normal? If you're using iCloud Mail on your iPhone 17, you can create email aliases that act as alternate addresses, so your primary email stays private. This is perfect for signing up on websites, separating personal and work emails, or simply reducing spam in your main inbox. You can create up to 3 aliases for your iCloud account, and once they're set up, you can use them just like your main email. Before getting started, make sure your iCloud Mail is already set up on your device. Once that's ready, open the Settings app, then tap your Apple account name at the top and select iCloud. You can also scroll down in Settings and tap iCloud directly. Both options will take you to the same screen. From there, go to the Saved to iCloud section and tap Mail. Then, under Account Information, tap Addresses. Now look for the Aliases section and tap Add Alias to begin. You'll be asked to enter your preferred alias in the address field, then fill in your full name and label. The label helps you identify where or how you plan to use that alias, like shopping or work. Once you've entered all the details, tap the blue check in the top right corner to save your new alias. After saving, your new alias will appear in the list. If you tap on it, you'll be taken to the Address Details screen, where you can manage its settings. From here, you can toggle Use Alias on or off anytime, or edit the name and label if needed. You'll also see a Send From option, which lets you choose whether this alias can be used when sending emails. Turn that on if you want to send emails using this address, or leave it off if you only want to receive messages through it. If you want to create more aliases, just go back to the Addresses menu and tap Add Alias again, then follow the same steps. Remember, you can only have up to 3 aliases at a time, so use them wisely depending on your needs. Once your alias is set up, you can start sending and receiving emails using that address on iCloud Mail across all your devices. When you send an email using an alias, your primary email address stays hidden from the recipient, which adds an extra layer of privacy. By default, any emails sent to your alias will still appear in your main inbox, so everything stays organized in one place. If you ever decide you no longer need an alias, you can delete it anytime. Just open the alias settings again, tap Delete Alias, and confirm your choice. The alias will then be permanently removed from your account. And that's it. If this video helped you keep your email more private and organized, give it a like, or check out another guide to learn more tips and features on your iPhone 17. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.